Hi, good morning, traders from TradeWiz. This is Tuesday, 13th July and 11:39. So we are waiting for this high to be broken, 115480 today open. So we will wait for this candle. It has been sideways from the morning. Let's wait. We got a breakout here and we got an entry in 35600 at 141. So we'll look at the target for us. R3 should be our target and also the resistance line. We'll put R3 as the target. Almost it has touched 180. Okay. So we'll either take the stop loss or the target. I'm hoping for a good target here. 1 is to 3. The stop loss is at 1 is to 121. Okay, this the previous candle has been Marbozo, so which is very good. This is a breakout and a negligible wick. Previous candle. Okay, very good. So this there is a resistance at 35, 531, 533. So it should cross that. Okay. So this 532 wax thing is a resistance, but we'll wait. Is about to cross. The quickly we get the reach our target, there will be no time decay for us in the options price. It almost reached 180 earlier, 179 earlier, but still now it has come down. 168. So three reasons the technical indicators clearly said, and there was a reversal, and then there was a 35,000 400 also crossed, so which is a very good sign. So those reasons we took an entry here, and it is giving us a good profit. Looking for more than like 15 to 17% here, which we already got. It is forming a wick here. Hmm, okay, this is forming a red candle. Still we are at profit only, so we are at 151. Okay, so we should aim at, like, taking a target based upon index, and also if either the index or this reaches the previous 179, we should be able to exit there, or the 121 stop loss. 20 rupees is what we have kept. Okay, so yeah, this is good. It is forming a wick, which is good. 35 532. If it crosses 532, then it should it will definitely reach R3. We are hoping the next candle it will break. This candle should close at least above the previous close. It has formed a very good lower wick, which is a good support. Okay, we will be moving our target here. to R3. It has crossed, so we'll be moving this line to R3. Almost near the target now. Okay, very good. Reached R3. Okay, it has crossed, so we will take a exit here.